Hey guys, this is German again, another Just My Review. And as you guys remember, a few days ago I did a video talking about the auto idle stop in the Ridgeline, and I got a comment from one of my viewers saying that I have to take my vehicle to the dealer because it was a kind of repair or recall or something like that in those vehicles, basically the Ridgeline, pilots, passports, and some others that I don't remember exactly, but I got that letter. Okay guys, and this is the letter I got from Honda, and as you guys can see, this letter basically is saying that it's a problem with the auto start feature after entering in the auto idle stop. And I don't know if it's the same related, but it looks like as what I understand with this letter is saying that after the vehicle goes into the auto idle, after that the vehicle won't start, and that's what it looks like. But in my case, well, I got this letter from Honda, and if you guys didn't receive it yet, you guys can pause it and read it and see if you guys have your Honda and you guys didn't receive this. Maybe you can contact Honda dealer. But this is a 10-year warranty saying that Honda is gonna cover, and if you don't got any problems, you don't have to do anything. Also, you got a second part right here. It's in English and Spanish. The other side is in Spanish right here too, if you guys are looking for this in Spanish. And basically this is a letter reimbursing any expense you incur during the period of this problem. And anything happen in that period of time, Honda is gonna reimburse you. And basically this is the form. In other words, if you guys spend some money trying to get this feature fixed somewhere else, the dealer or whatever, well, they're gonna reimburse you back. Plus, if you guys experiencing any problem with this, just take the vehicle to the dealer and they're gonna fix it for free. And also they are going to give you all the vehicles in this section. They're gonna get covered for 10 years warranty, and I'm gonna give you guys a tip to try it out. Now let me change the camera. As you guys see right there, well, basically I'm doing line right here at Costco, and as soon as you move the vehicle, this guy supposed to auto stop, but as you guys and usually we see the light right there showing that the vehicle is being off, and as soon as we release the brake, the truck is going to start moving, right? Well, I find out, I think, the way this thing works, and it's kept doing it again. Last week I lost it. I don't know who, probably one of my kids pressed this button right here and the thing come on. And I'm gonna show you guys right here. I'm gonna push it right now. It hurts. That hurts. I lost it. And well, I'm supposed to go right here, and now right there, right now, unfortunately, if I let me press it right there. Now you guys see it, it's supposed to be working, right? Okay, hold on. Okay, press this guy right here.
Parking mode. Motion detection recording.
Right there.
3 occurred.
Sorry, press the wrong button. And as you guys see right there. Okay.
Continuous recording will now start. GPS connected.
Okay.
On your smartphone,
Funny
connect
thing,
to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with thinkware.
I think again it went off. Let me go this way. We're gonna drive right here at the parking lot, and we are going around back. Okay. All right. Okay, I got a truck in front of me. He's trying to do his maneuver going back to the store, but so far, guys, look at this. This thing, it looks like it's working the way I told you guys. Okay, we're driving. As you guys remember, as soon as we go down here and we stop, we're supposed to stop, right? Well, guess what? I don't gotta tell you that. You guys already know what's going on. The car didn't stop and still working. Now let me go back here in this dead end and let's do this together. Okay, guys, as you guys see, I'm driving right here. I know I'm driving in a dead end, and you know it's no cars and everything, but take a look. It didn't stop, guys. Now, for those of you guys that said that this thing, you know, it's not working, it's broken, well, let me show you right here. Look at my finger. Look at my finger, right? I just press it. Look at that. Right now, you know, after the steps I told you guys, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. And if you are one of the lucky ones, probably it's gonna work for you. And you know, like I told you guys, the procedure in this is, you know, just keep driving your vehicle, and you know, keep, you know, use the idle stop, you know, every time with the eco button. Then, you know, before you got home, just remove the eco button. Don't remove the auto idle stop. Just leave it like that. And the first thing in the morning, instead of use your car button to start up your vehicle, just use the remote key and start it from using the remote. Then just drive for a little bit. Don't touch anything. Just drive for a little bit. You can remove your eco button if you want, and just drive for a little bit. And maybe, you know, if everything's go through, you want to have this feature removed from your vehicle. Now I'm gonna show you right here. I'm in a local road close to my house, and I'm gonna show you guys right here. I'm stopping by, and let me stop the vehicle. And as you guys see, you know, this guy right here is not on. You know, in order to make it on, must to be lighted up right there, right over here. And just showing you guys right now to see that it really works. I'm not gonna take my vehicle to update this thing or to get fixed, because I like it the way it is. And as you guys see, you know, I'm gonna drive right here, and this is, you know, close to my house, driving 50 miles an hour, and this is good enough distance to activate the auto idle off. And let's do it right now. And you guys see, I stopped completely right here, and nothing happened. Well, guys, that's it. If you are one of the lucky ones, you know, thumbs up. Let me know your story if you got an experience like that. And see you guys in another Just My Review. God bless you all. Please subscribe to my channel and share with other guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye, and see you later.